Netflix has ordered new docuseries The Innocent Man, based on John Grisham's best-selling book about two Oklahoma murders, for the December 14 premiere on the Internet TV network. Innocent Man is a story that gained national attention thanks to Grisham's best-selling non-fiction book, The Innocent Man, Murder and Injustice in a Small Town. The Netflix six-part documentary series based on it focuses on two murders that shook the small town of Ada, Oklahoma, in the 1980s, and the controversial chain of events that followed. Directed by Clay Tweel, Finders Keepers, Gleason, out of Omaha, The Innocent Man features interviews with victims' friends and families, Ada residents, attorneys, journalists, and others involved in the cases. Grisham appears, as does attorney Barry Scheck, co-director of the Innocence Project. Developed as a documentary series by Tweel and Ross Dinerstein, it blends new footage with archival video and photos. The series is produced by Maura and Shannon. Executive producers are John Grisham, David Gernert, Tweel, and Dinerstein. As a filmmaker, I often find that the best stories are the ones we tell ourselves, Tweel said. But what surprised me was the extent to which that idea also permeates the criminal justice system. By re-examining these old cases, I hope that viewers will identify the biases involved, even their own. Grisham called the documentary gripping, compelling, and ultimately just as heartbreaking as the book. Though I know the story well, I can't wait to watch it again.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.